Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by pairing the keyboard and preparing iPad accessibility so keys can act like touches. First, pair your Bluetooth or smart keyboard in settings and confirm it's connected. Once done, open accessibility and enable assistive touch plus full keyboard access. This lets your keys trigger touch items. Next, create a custom assistive touch gesture that replicates a single tap and save it with a clear name. This immediate setup turns keystrokes into usable screen touches for Genshin. Now map the keyboard to the game's touch targets. With Genshin running, activate Assistive Touch and position the floating menu over a control you want to replace. In full keyboard access, add commands, pick a physical key, choose Run Custom Gesture, and select the gesture you saved. Repeat for movement, attack, and ability buttons. Place the on-screen tap targets precisely over Genshin's UI. Make small adjustments so each key triggers the intended in-game button without misfires. Finish by testing and refining your layout so play feels natural. Run through movement, attack, skills, and menus. If a key misses, return to Assistive Touch and nudge the tap target or remake the gesture with a slightly longer press. If inputs lag or drop, toggle Bluetooth, force quit Genshin, and relaunch or disable other background apps. One key troubleshooting tip: if mapping breaks after an update, restore your saved gesture preset and reassign keys. This usually fixes any mapping regression.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.